In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone XR to Apple Watch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up an Apple Watch is extremely simple. You will be able to connect it without any major setup steps, and it is going to work with any generation or model of the Apple Watches. So all that you have to do is unbox your Apple Watch, and immediately upon powering it on with the side button, as long as you bring it close to your iPhone, including the iPhone XR, it will be automatically detected like this. This is the same thing that happens when you bring it close to a set of AirPods, for example. So all that you have to do is tap continue. There's no secret to this. This will start the setup process, everything will be synchronized, and you will be given a rundown on how to set up and use the Apple Watch. Now, if for whatever reason this pop-up does not appear, or you would like to do this process from the start manually, then what you have to do is look for the Apple Watch application. This should be a default app available on any iPhone, and once you open this app, you will see the options related to setting up the Apple Watch. So when you tap the option to set up for myself, you will be able to bring them in close proximity of each other to connect. So as long as you have a genuine Apple Watch, you simply have to bring it close to the iPhone, and it is going to be able to communicate and essentially pair itself up with the iPhone. The Apple Watches are only compatible with iOS, so you cannot use them if you have an Android device. It must be an iPhone, including the iPhone XR, of course. And regardless of the series of watch that you have, you will still be able to connect them through the same method. There are no different steps or additional setup things that you have to do depending on the series. Simply bring them in close proximity of each other and start the setup. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPhone XR to Apple Watch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.